Hey everybody. Well, I'm starting to heal up pretty good. The swelling's pretty much down. Now, my leg, it still hurts bad, my muscle, and I've been having some issues with my knees. But today I'm gonna try to go the whole day without using any crutches. Now, I've been going some in the house without using them, been kind of limping around. But whenever you're outside, that incline and all that hills, molehills and stuff like that, I can't just walk outside. But hopefully I got this knee brace here and it'll help support it enough to where I'll be all right. Now I'm in the garage today. This is the first time I've been in the garage for a while. So I got the fire going. If nothing else, I'm just gonna tank around in the garage. I gotta try to get up and do stuff because I'm about to go nuts, guys. I don't know who else is out there just can't handle sitting around, but man, it's worse than the pain. So get this fire warmed up here in a couple hours. Big garage, it takes a little while for it to heat up. But yeah, hopefully I get Dad down here and Brent, and maybe we can work on this truck, get this thing out of here, because we need to go get some hay anyway. So, I mean, we got other trucks to do that, but it'd be nice to actually use this truck, that what it's meant for. I mean, it's supposed to be a farm truck, so there it is. Give me that old oil.
Need Earl? You go, Earl.
So we got the other side on. Got the 4x4 and 2x4. Got a bolt going all the way through it. Now we're going to do this side too.
Right now you're getting hot.
That's that, the wool.
Earl.
Oh. This is called a unibit. It's got multiple sizes. Alright, so we got the first hole, the top hole done, but I ain't gonna be able to reach in there and go from the bottom, so I'm just gonna go straight down with this one. And then after we get this, we'll take these boards and I'll drill a hole through the center of each one of these. Put them in there, put that bolt through it, tighten it up, and it shouldn't go nowhere after that. Then we'll probably go ahead and put one more set of bolts here in the very back. That'll give us 6 bolts, which is what a truck normally has. And then after that, we'll be ready to get some boards and start putting them on here.
Years ago, he had a football injury, so his knees already had issues.
Yeah, both of them.
What?
Both of them.
Yep.
Orthoscopic surgery on both.
Yeah. So his knees still giving him fits from the whole tree knocking him over.
I wish I felt better and climb up here and sit down.
We're waiting. We're picking up some lumber for the back of that pickup truck, the flatbed. Yes. And we're waiting on them to go get the bolts. So we're just sitting here, aren't we? Yep. So it's not officially springtime, but down here in southern Indiana, we are getting these cranes like a sight in the fields and different places. They're just all over the place. Comes some in for landing. Taking out the boards so he can put it on the back of his truck. Hopefully we bought enough.
This is my friend Randy Brennan. And I'm swimming around out here. I haven't seen him in coon's years. Well, half a coon year. Close.
Well, I mean, he helped us get this place started when it was all
Build
nothing
the
but
house.
woods.
Yep. Build a house and everything.
Started building the house back when it was all woods.
Yeah. So how much has the place changed since you've been here last?
Well, last time I was here, you had about half the buildings and a whole lot more trees.
Yeah, we definitely taken some trees down.
Last time I was here, you still had your swimming pool
Yeah.
when I was up here in the driveway.
Well, we decided to use that for a recreational space.
Yeah, it works out.
Okay, Wyatt, do you remember back when you did that little video on eating that hot pepper?
Yes, I do.
Okay. A person named Jody Fessler sent you something in the mail through Chamberlain Family Farms. You want to open it up and see what it is?
Yes. Pepper.
Okay. Yeah, she sent you these. She said that these are not going to be near as hot and they're going to be a little bit sweet. But she wanted you to try that. So come springtime, you and I will plant those somewhere special and you can try those. Isn't that pretty cool?
Yes, it is.
What do you say to Jody?
Thank you, Jody.
We hope you enjoyed watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.